Hey guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today is the unboxing and overview of the Motorola G6. Alright guys, Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today is an unboxing of a phone that I've been kind of wanting to try out for a while now. It is the Motorola G6. Now, unlocked, this phone goes for about $220. They have a G6 Play, which is about $199 as well, plus taxes. And of course, you have different variants, such as your prepaid, Virgin Mobile, and Boost Mobile, etc. like that. But I decided to buy the unlocked version because first of all, I can just swap out the SIM card onto my from my other phone and put it in this, and I can actually use it as my daily driver. So that's something I want to do so that I can get more hands-on to do a full review for you guys. But again, this is just the unboxing, guys. So we're gonna just take a look at what comes out of the box. Just so you guys know, I don't really know too much about this phone as far as its internals go. Ooh, the box is damaged there. They gave me a damaged box. How could they? But anyway, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 427 processor from what I was reading. I might be wrong on that, so you can correct me on that in the comments if you guys already know. And here it is. Here's the unboxing. So I'm going to leave that here in the background just so you guys can see it. So I went to Best Buy earlier today and I decided, hey, I'm going to actually check this phone out, and I played with it a little bit. I had it in my hands, and it was a really tough decision for me to get this phone up over the Motorola G6 Play, just because it was only like about a $20 difference, and the battery life on the G6 Play is supposed to be a lot better than the actual Motorola G6. But again, this is the phone, guys, and right out of the hand you can see it has a reflection, obviously, because I have a light in the background. It's a beautiful phone all the way around, though. Build quality feels really nice in the hands. Oh man, I can just tell you right now that it is a phone that I will enjoy using, hopefully. Has a dual camera right here in the back also, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get that, because of the camera. The camera has the G Play, the G6 Play had a single camera, and this one has a dual camera. So, and of course this one shoots in 4K. So I do want to get some video going from there. Right on the bottom, as you can see here, though, it has USB Type-C. I don't know if you guys can focus. I don't know if my camera is going to focus on that or not. But it does have USB Type-C right out of the box, so I think that's interesting. I thought this would have come with like a micro USB charging port. So let's get this turned on. It should already have the battery in it. It doesn't seem like it has an external battery. Hold on, let me get my hands around the back. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, because really, let's see what else comes inside the box. Okay, so again, really, it's a really good phone feel in the hand. Maybe I do have to. Here's the instruction manual, right, guys? Here is the SIM removal tool. Obviously, that's something that you're going to get. Legal safety notices, you're going to get that. It does have quick charging, and again, this phone only has a 3,000 milliamp battery, opposed to its other counterpart, which is the G6 Play. That one has a 4,000. I already have a USB Type-C cable, so I'm going to just leave that in there, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the other boxes or the other forms in there as well. I'm only going to keep out the actual SIM card removal tool and whatever else. Did I put that back by accident? Yes, I did. So anyways, guys, the reason why I wanted to test this phone out specifically is because I've been a fan of Motorola devices for a really long time now, and Motorola just keeps continuing to push out better products. One thing that I can tell you, let me see, this thing has a charge on it. Oh yeah, it does. So as you can see there, it's already turning on, and it's kind of messing with my it's messing with the camera here, so I'm going to kind of put it here to the side just so you guys can kind of see. But again, I do plan to use this as my daily driver, and it's just a beautiful phone all the way around.
Hello, Moto.
It says, hello, Moto. There's the startup screen, right? Owned by Lenovo. I kind of missed when this was actually owned by Google. Unfortunately, they had to mess that up by selling it to Lenovo, but I guess all they could do is just really, basically you get the patents off of it. But again, it's a beautiful phone all the way around, guys. I don't know if this is a flash in the front. This might be a flash, this might not be. And of course over here, let me turn that off so that my screen so that my screen brightness isn't messing up. Here's the front-facing camera. Hearing a lot of good things about the cameras on these, so again, can't wait to test it out for you guys. I'm gonna probably post up the first review video within the first couple of days of me unboxing this, guys. So again, guys, this is the Moto G6, not the Moto G6 Play, but the Moto G6, and right now you can actually get it for a good deal, whether it be at Best Buy or on Amazon.com. I'm actually going to post the link down below for the Amazon. You know, I think you can probably get it a little cheaper on Amazon, but unfortunately I did not want to wait to get this phone. So again, you know, right here it's already going to ask me for my information on the actual let's get started, whatever, you know, and I'm gonna stick a SIM card in here. I just want to kind of play around with it as best as I can, guys. So again, I don't know, I need to kind of mess with my camera settings also, just so I can kind of, so that this doesn't darken when I'm actually trying to show you guys what's going on the screen. But anyways, guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Review signing off, guys. Looking forward to actually messing around and playing with this phone. So again, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys you know, want me to do something specific with this phone, please leave a comment in the actual link on the bottom, and I'll go ahead and try to test out whatever you guys want me to check out. So again, guys, Mike from BTR Budget Tech Review signing off. We'll see y'all next time.